Any video that touches on the Church of Scientology is likely to be controversial. This video is just about a High Court case. I don't claim any special insights into Scientology, and so if you're looking for a video either for or against that organisation, then you're looking in the wrong place. Having said that, it's really clear that in the late 1970s and the early 1980s, the Australian government, or at least the Australian Secret Intelligence Organisation, ASIO, considered Scientology to be some sort of threat to national security. They started to undertake intelligence gathering exercises and surveillance of the Church of Scientology and its members. The Scientologists became aware of this surveillance and they went to court seeking a range of declarations. Essentially, they wanted the court to declare that ASIO was acting beyond its powers by undertaking surveillance of the church, because there was no threat to national security and no other proper basis for ASIO to use its powers. Now, the odds were always pretty well stacked against the Scientologists. After all, ASIO is by its very nature secret, and the legislation which established ASIO was intended to keep it secret. And because it's secret, how could the court even really know what information ASIO had about the Scientologists? So the court considered two different questions. The first was whether there was any legal basis for making a declaration at all, and the second was whether the Scientologists had shown that a declaration should be made in this case. We're only interested in the first question. Justice Mason probably answered the question best. He said that if the Parliament, in the ASIO Act, only authorised ASIO to conduct certain activities, then I see no reason for thinking that a person adversely affected by activities which are unauthorised cannot obtain relief by way of declaration and injunction. There is a clear distinction to be drawn between acts which are unauthorised and acts which are illegal. Ultimately, the court found against the Scientologists, but this case is important because it was never really in doubt that they could seek a declaration. The court essentially found that it was proper to seek a declaration, and the court had the power to issue a declaration, but this wasn't a case in which it would do so. As a result, in other cases, we know that a declaration could be issued.